how to get best Webtoon promo code. Now for you to be able to do this method, all you have to do is to open up or pull up any preferred web browser that you want to use. But in this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now just head directly to webtoons.com, and before you logged into your account, we will have to go ahead and surf out through Google for us to be able to get that promotional or promotion code. Now here, what you want to do is just create a new tab and simply type in Webtoon promo code. Now you're going to be seeing a bunch of results in here, but what you want to do and choose is this is going to be the one that we will be choosing that is going to be taking us out at sarkaripocket.com. So as you can see, it is still available to use up until the 2025. That's the year of 2025. Just click on that link and just scroll down a bit till you find the table of contents that has the multiple amounts of code. So what you can do is just check on the status of the code that you're going to use. For example, this is going to be for free coins and still working, and some of the codes are already expired. And that's it. That's how you get the best Webtoon promo code.